Oh, my tomatoes. Gardening Connections with Cyndi here, hailing from the Pacific Northwest, specifically Zone 8B. So it is rainy, it is cold, it is fall, and my tomatoes went in late this year. So I have a bumper crop of tomatoes that are ripening in on my dining room table. And I thought I'd share this with you because I've learned some things over the years that you may want to save yourself some time and energy and save your tomatoes. So, in the past, I had been researching, how to ripen tomatoes indoors. And a lot of times they'll say, put them in a plastic or paper bag and leave the stems on. I never found that to work for me. They always wrinkle and rot and really didn't ripen well. So here's a technique that I've used over the years very successfully. So you pick your tomatoes off the vine, um, and take off your stem. I wash them, dry them, remove and throw out any that are rotting or have split, and then the rest you just put on a cookie sheet using a towel. And then you place apples strategically. I usually do them on the four corners, but if I have extra apples, I'll put them in the middle as well. And I have a couple extra I just stuck on the sides here. So in doing so, the apple's off gas, and you'll be able to naturally ripen your tomatoes. So I'm going to just go through and grab a couple that are ripe, and that way I can make room for the other tomatoes. And these are the ones we're going to be eating. So happy tomato ripening. And I hope you enjoy this pro tip from Gardening Connections from Cyndi.